Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Sunday morning early. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning. I feel like something in my eye. Hold on. Yeah. It's a beautiful Sunday. I know it's gonna be hot. It's a Sunday. So I know it's gonna be hot. Hold on, guys. Wash my face, but I got some hair in there. Eyelash getting on my eye. Yeah. So today it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to you fathers out there. Happy Father's Day, guys. I hope someone is getting up and making you breakfast this morning. So Father's Day is not so much recognized as how Mother's Day and Valentine and Christmas is recognized. Nobody really celebrate Father's Day like that. It's always a few. They do recognize it, but not a lot. You go out for dinner and see people out there, but it's not the entire country or world be making a big deal. It's Father's Day, and then you'll see no one selling any kind of flowers or anything pertaining to that. Even the card aisles in the where they sell the cards is not even a big section. I guess no one cares about that. To be honest, Mother's Day, all the flowers, teddy bears, everything, like Valentine's Day, all those things out on the street selling. You don't see that for Father's Day. I don't know where that came from, but nothing goes on for Father's Day. Anyhow, it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to the father them. Big up on yourself. Got the squirrels and the birds are playing. All the animals are making noise this morning. You got some birds up there making a lot of noise. Dogs back there barking. And you got the squirrels right here playing with the bird. Or the bird playing with the squirrel. Yeah. It's Father's Day. Regular day. However, I'm going to head over to the salon this morning. I did everything today. I cut the lawn. See, I did the lawn. Lawn is nice and everything. I have a few dry spots in the front. I'm gonna order it. But did the lawn, did the oil change in the truck. Yesterday I didn't go back on the road. I was just feeling tired after that, so I didn't go back on the road to buy the meat that I wanted and the sprinkler and stuff like that. But I'm gonna probably get it done today. I'm going on the road today. However, my daughters, they're doing something for me today. They're cooking dinner. They're cooking dinner this evening. So luckily, I got some kids who's gonna, well, the older one, not the younger one. The younger one can't really orchestrate this, but the older one is cooking for me. So, by I drop this video tomorrow, it will be after Father's Day. It will be probably tomorrow, Monday. Yeah. So I will head in. It's early, guys. Don't mind me yawning. It's a real time video. I have yesterday's video to edit. I'm up to date with the videos. I only have Saturday's video, which is yesterday, to update and to edit. And there's this nice bird right here. I don't know. He's black and white with a red. His head is red. Look, he's right there. Let me see if I could zoom in. He's right there. He's black and white, guy. Let me see if I can go over there. He's behind the tree. It's probably one of those woodpecker things. His head sticking out. I don't have much zoom with this, so I hope you're seeing it. With my phone, you could zoom in all the way and see him, but with this, it's different. Yeah. He's just sticking out his head right there. If you look, right, somewhere right there, you'll see him. But he's real pretty, guys. He's black and white, full black and white, and his head is red. There he is right there. Look, see? Full black and white. Let me see. As close as possible. Oh, he flew off, guys. Yeah. So, you know. Yeah. I messed up, guys. I think I'm zoomed in too much. Yeah. Alright. So, I'm going to get the morning started. I got to go to the salon real quick. I'm heading down to my daughter about, I would say, around 2 o'clock somewhere. Around that time. And then get my younger daughter and then head over to the older one. Yeah. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go get my get the salon clean, get my hot water, start editing this video. I'm gonna do that this morning, right now, and then get the day started. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's gonna be nice and sunny today. Yesterday was a hot day, guys. It was really hot. See, the sun is coming out already. It was real hot. Like, they reported 100 degrees. Well, I saw 100 degrees in the temperature gauge in the car, but when I checked the weather, it said like 97 or 90 something. So I don't know if it got to 100, but it was hot yesterday, real hot. I was mostly inside, except for in the morning time. I cut the lawn early. It wasn't that hot in the morning, and then I went ahead and changed the oil in the evening time, but it was super hot out there. So guys, if you're out there and you're working out in the heat, make sure you stay hydrated, drink a lot of water or whatever you drink. Stay hydrated. Don't be getting no heat stroke in this hot weather. But anyway, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna start editing yesterday's video and get some hot tea and head over to the salon. Alright. Alright guys, so yeah, we'll rock with Pepper shirt today. Alright, so let's see what's going on let's see what's going on for the I was watching some guy doing framing work yesterday on some framing work yesterday, just to see how they do it. I was just looking to see, get an idea of how I know how to do framing and stuff like that, but I was just checking to see, how they build a room from scratch, just to see how the professionals do it, Alright, so let's see. Yeah, I might I might cut that little part out. There was an email that I didn't want you guys to see. But yeah, I think I need to do my hair again, Here, here, get frazzled out. Alright, let's check some analytics and see what the tube is saying. Alright, the tube is saying we getting about let's refresh. 4,000, yeah, about it's around 4,000 views. More. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Guys, I was talking yesterday a lot about the YouTube and don't giving up and stuff like that. Stay consistent. I starting this thing know that, it's gonna be a journey. It ain't gonna be no 1 month, 2 months, and then you're gonna get 1,000 subscribers. I know that. I don't know if you guys know that, but based on all the YouTubers I follow and stuff like that, it's been a while. It's been years, for them to even reach that 100,000. It's they have to stay consistent and still consistent for over 5 years, 7 years. I'm quite sure there are YouTubers who are out there that did it in less time, maybe a year, some maybe 6 months, I don't know, but the average is going to take years. So I knew starting this journey right here would have, it's gonna take some time, so I'm being patient. I'm posting, being consistent, um with my vlogs. I'm not trying to go out there and find adventures or find stuff to cook and stuff like that. My vlog is just what I do every day, so that's why life every day, so as life goes on, you'll see what I do or hear me talk about what I do. Mostly I talk about what I do. Right now we're not really doing anything more than checking on the salon, cleaning the salon and stuff like that. But once I have the restaurant going, you'll get a lot more things to view. Us making stuff, us building the restaurant, pretty much. It's not a huge restaurant. It's just a small takeout restaurant that's in a gas station. So I know it's gonna take time to build this platform. I'm not planning on giving up on it. I'm not planning. You'll hear me say sometimes I feel like giving up on stuff, but I know that's not an option. We're not giving up. As long as we're living and we're getting up every day, I'll document what I'm doing, and put it out there for you guys to see it. So it's just an extra thing. I think I like talking to the camera and telling people. I'm a talker, so when I'm off camera, I might be quiet. All these years, I might be quiet, but I'll talk for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I think I talk too much, to be honest. Yeah, but we got this mouth to talk, so let's use it. So anyway, the hot water just stopped. It just got hot, so I'm going to get that going and then move on to the next, which is going to the salon. Yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at the water heater last night. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope I could only put one water heater as opposed to two. I really would love to save some money right there, because these water heaters, they're like 14, let's say $1,500 each, and to put it in is that's where the money to hook up one versus two is a lot more, versus putting in two. So I'm hoping they charge less to do it. I'm hoping we could only do one, and that way I don't have to buy two water heater, which is gonna be $3,000 plus to put it in. Probably another 2,000, 3,000 materials maybe they'll charge. I don't know. Don't hold me to that installation price. I haven't gotten a price on it to put it in. But yeah, guys, water heaters are getting expensive. This one is the tankless water heater. So yeah, so I was just here watching this guy. He was installing framing out a building. So I was just watching his channel. So his channel, he does framing work, or building work, mostly framing. So that's all he does, just metal stud framing, and drywall and stuff like that. That's all he does, metal framing and drywall. So all his videos is just him working on drywall and framing, so yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna get the hot water and head out to the salon now. So guys, so today is Father's Day. I'm on the road, by the way. I just left out. I'm gonna head over to the salon. So yeah, today is actually Father's Day. And earlier I was talking about, it's not recognized. Father's Day nowhere is recognized. You don't see nobody coming out taking their dad to breakfast, or there's one, don't get me wrong, not all, but majority is not doing that, right? Where they're out with their dads. We're gonna go to Just Brunch now. We'll see how many dads over there, to be honest. People do go certain places, but it's not, I'm talking in general, the most of the population, no one cares about Father's Day. I don't know, you dads out there could agree or disagree, right? Maybe you got a couple dads out there where every Father's Day is a big deal. Kudos to you guys, you getting that treatment. Maybe your family was just a little bit better than the typical. Anyhow, to show you, I'm just going to give you an example. In my case, I know I'm quite sure everybody's case is different, but in my case, or a couple, the people who are sending me these things, right? All right, so I got up this morning early, and I'm just getting Happy Father's Day from other men, right? So bridging and bridging, brother, those people, those are who I'm getting these Happy Father's Day. No, I'm not their dad. I just with bridging, I just friend, family, whoever, right? And those people are send me Happy Father's Day. So what that tells you? That tells me that I'm on their mind, or they're thinking about other men to tell them Happy Father's Day, right? Most of these people, I'm quite sure they don't have their dads around anymore. They're older guys. But the fact that they're sending me a Happy Father's Day, that's telling me they're looking out for their brothers or their fellow men. right? To remember, they're remembering, and the kids ain't remembering to say Happy Father's Day. Remember, if you're here, if you got a kid, unless you don't have a kid, if you have a kid, well, you can't be a father if you don't have a kid. Anyway, yeah. But if your children is not saying Happy Father's Day to you, or the woman in your life that you know you have a child with, if they're not acknowledging any of those, right, then this is what I'm talking about. No one cares about. But when it comes to Mother's Day or any other day, it's a big deal. Right? So at the end of the day, men just don't get any kind of praise for anything, bro. Alright, I keep saying bro. Yeah, men just don't get no praises for anything. Men go out there and work every day, take care of their children every day. They do everything by themselves, just as though a woman or anybody else would do it. You know? But unfortunately, we don't even get a day. You know? We don't even have to go anywhere. Just like to go to eat out. Some men is happy with you know, they don't have to go to dinner. They don't have to go to breakfast or lunch. Just nobody recognizing Father's Day. There's no big deal. I don't see nobody selling flowers or any teddy bear for Father's Day on the street. Right now I pass so many stoplights and there's none. Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, all those other days, Christmas, you would see all them people out here selling stuff. And the reason why they ain't selling stuff is because ain't nobody buying it. Just to show you. The same people you in your house with, your same kids and all those people, they ain't going out to buy nothing from these people. So they don't think it's even lucrative to make anything for Father's Day to sell. Right? So that's what I'm saying. Ain't nobody care about Father's Day. Now this ain't no rant or anything like that. For me, I don't care. Right? I don't care about none of them holidays, to be honest. Right? Because all those things is just a money making thing. So that's why I say you don't have to take us out to go eat or anything. You ain't gotta do none of that. Just acknowledge that day. You know what I'm saying? For fathers, you know, real fathers who are out there taking care of their kids and play a father role or whatever the case is, right? I'm just saying. No, fortunate for me, I have a daughter and she called me and, you know, we're gonna hook up for the Father's Day. She's gonna, you know, get cook and stuff like that. So fortunately for me, my Father's Day is being recognized. But I'm just saying, for the most part, in general, overall, the whole entire country, ain't nobody saying, I didn't even remember today's Father's Day because no one is talking about it. It just came up because my daughter called me and said, hey, what are you doing Sunday and stuff, and then I remembered. So just to show you, no one even care about that. It's not, I don't even hear it. I don't listen to radio like that, but I don't even see it on Instagram. I'm here scrolling through yesterday and the day before and all of that. There's nothing about Father's Day today. Well, in my feed. Maybe in your feed you might have seen it, but not in my feed. You know, but the fact that it's not in everybody's feed, or, you know what I'm saying, that goes to show you it's not that celebrated. But it is what it is. I ain't complaining. You know, I always say Father's Day and Mother's Day is more something private anyway. It's not for your friends to call you. You're not their dad. It's for your kids to call you. You know what I'm saying? And then you call your parents if your parents is active. You know. So yeah. So I mean, it is what it is. You know. We ain't trying to complain or anything. I'm just saying that's the way it is, you know. It's not recognized. No big deal for me. Even if my daughter didn't call me, it's okay. It's fine. Sometimes people are just busy and they can't make nothing happen. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. I don't get messed up if I don't get a call on any holiday. You know, because as I said, it's, you know, I don't look at it as a big deal. I was just speaking for the fathers out here. But for me, it's no big deal. You know, I'll call my dad and, you know, say, hey, you know, Father's Day, Happy Father's Day, stuff like that, I'll show him some love, you know. But it's no big deal. And you guys who are friends, family, and all those, if I don't call you for Father's Day or text you for Father's Day, don't feel no way, because you know, I think it's more of a personal thing. You should call your dad, and your kids should call you. You know what I'm saying? It's more of a personal, you know. Same thing with Mother's Day. Why am I gonna be here telling everybody in my phone Happy Mother's Day? That don't make no sense. They ain't my mother. I'll tell my mother Happy Mother's Day. You know, rest in peace. She's gone now, but you know, I'll tell her Happy Mother's Day, and then you know what I'm saying. The mother's kids are supposed to tell her Happy Mother's Day. I ain't gonna call everybody in my phone, sisters, brothers, sisters and friends, you know, any kind of female friend, to tell them Happy Mother's Day. That don't make no sense. They ain't my mother, you know. So Father's Day and Mother's Day is, I think, is something personal. The kids or your parents should get that. When it's Christmas, then you could, you know, Merry Christmas to everybody. Or you could, you know, if it's Valentine's Day, you shouldn't be calling everybody telling them Happy Valentine's Day. What the hell? The Happy Valentine's Day is to the person, it's your Valentine. Why you gonna call or text everybody, male, female, telling them Happy Mother's Day? Shooting all these texts, filling up my phone. That don't make no sense. Yeah, I mean, I ain't your Valentine. Only the person you're involved with, or your Valentine, you should be sending that to. You know what I'm saying? So I never get that. So anyway, I'm pulling in now to the salon. I guess we have some tenants here, if you could tell. Just branches, you know, almost a few customers there. You know, got one dad out there, one person. So just to show you, you know, they open from 8. It's now 8:45, but as you can tell, there's nobody in there. So maybe later on it'll be have more people in there, but for now there ain't no one in Just Brunch. I just saw one person there. So where are the dads? Just saying, you know, when it's Mother's Day, that shit packed already. When it's Valentine's Day, that is packed over there. When it's Christmas or whatever, it's packed. So it's Father's Day, guys. Look, parking lot is empty. There's no one brunching on Father's Day. Look, it's empty, right? Maybe they did a Father's Day dinner or something, but see, there's no one there. The front is empty. Those are all probably employee parking. You got like 3 or 4 cars. I don't think, because I'm looking in there and I don't see anybody in there. So I saw one couple right here, and maybe another one inside. So I'm just saying, no one cares about Father's Day. The kids don't care about their parents or their dad, because they call their mom, but they never call their dad. And I guess we as kids don't take our dads out, so it's just not recognized, because we're not doing the same thing either, taking our parents out. So I guess it's just not a recognized thing, and we have grown to not recognize Father's Day. However, I'm going by my dad later on. We ain't gonna take him for breakfast or anything, but we're gonna have dinner later on. So yeah, so let me go in here and clean up real quick. I have some codes to change in there, and I'm gonna clean up inside real quick and make it look nice and go from there. So let me get to it, guys. I'll check back in when I'm done. All right, this is 1 month, and this is the end of this week is maybe the 6th week. Friday gone. Yeah, it's either 5 week or 6 week, to be honest. You know, trouble, cause guess what I'm now. Yeah. Yeah. Well, go on. Wait. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Happy Father's Day to yourself. Little most me all forget say my daddy too, you know. A daddy link up. A daddy link up in the morning. Alright, so me dey on my vlog right now, I talk to Uno, right? I mean the vlog not here, Uno, but the vlog I got hear me I talk to Uno, right? But what I'm trying to say in my vlog earlier, and this just proves it, right? If you notice, you call me to tell me Happy Father's Day, right? Junior Lagan now, both Junior Lagan, right? But you realize that nobody not care about Father's Day though. Father's Day is not a recognized holiday for fathers, you know. No commercial right now, but just brunch. Nobody even care then daddy come over come eat. You understand? So here, Mother's Day pack, Valentine's pack, Christmas pack, every other holiday pack. So fathers, alright, since morning, a Rambo text me Happy Father's Day, you know. And one brother, and even my real brother, you know. So whether you're the fourth person now, I text me, right? I'm my one father. So what I tell you say, only fathers I look out for fathers. You realize that? Only fathers look out for fathers when it comes to Father's Day, you know. It's not recognized. And that is sad. You see what I say? Yeah, then nothing. They don't recognize it none at all. You didn't even see nothing else float around. Me never even know say today Father's Day. And when Shani called me, nothing. Nobody now sell none little nothing on the roadside. You know what I'm saying? So it's sad. It's sad, but fathers have to just deal with that, you know. When me go start though. Yeah, when me go start do now, me go start just get together and a bunch of fathers and we just get together on Father's Day and go celebrate ourselves. You know? Because this thing here, yo, it's rough, man. It's rough. It's rough, man. I don't see one flowers, I don't see a balloon, I don't see nothing. Yeah. So, you know. So from morning, nobody not a be a father call me. Not even one people them call me yet. A be a father call me. Yeah, man. I mean, it's not a big deal. We're a man and we know say, yo, it's not a big deal if your pit name call you or you call your dad. It's not a big deal to the fathers. However, I'm just saying, you know what I say? Yeah, a father's a call father. Yeah. Yeah, that's where it gone to. But it is what it is. People on the vlog here and me two bridging them this on the phone and we are link up as fathers to tell each other Father's Day. Imagine that. 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Nope. I mean, I'm quite sure Junior call you, so you call your father. Me call my father already. But the point of the story is, it's just the fathers I call the fathers. You see what I say? So. Yeah, man. Me not get none of that. So, although you're not their fathers, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, you know, man I call man out here and I tell him Happy Father's Day and they're not their fathers. Me, you know, Junior call me if he tell me Happy Father's Day. Me and him father. You know what I say? Yeah. So it's just a unrecognized holiday where I think it should be more than that. Yeah, man. At that them I get the right now. Me up on the vlog right now. The camera in the right hand and the phone in the left hand. Yeah. So them hear me I talk to no and something, you know. Yeah, tomorrow, cause this today's vlog. So tomorrow or tonight this I go drop. So I'm not gonna hear me I talk to no. I'm not gonna hear myself, but I'm not gonna hear me I talk to no. Yeah. You stay there? No, it's like 6 weeks. Maybe start like a month and maybe 2 weeks now, or a month and 1 week. No, maybe have some videos on there already, you know. So them count that, yeah. When you see the 100 and something, I think them count the shorts, too, right, Junior? Them count the shorts of that video, yeah. But overall, I'm gone probably about 40 something videos since me start. 50 videos maybe since me start. May I tell you?
In my video, them you gotta always see what me I do, not not what everybody else do. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For me, yeah. And then now the other thing is now there's a section there where you can customize. When you're in at the back end, you see say customizable. You can put a video where, let's say that's your favorite video. Every time somebody go up on your channel, that one they automatically start play on the top.
Right.
Yeah.
I think you have something like that.
Yeah.
I got that with
Yeah.
the guy in the car show.
Right. So every now and then you can go in and just change that to whatever video you feel like. Yeah. So what me do, me know you see anyone me get enough views off of, I don't want them to keep right there. So like the other day when me go at the balloon something, I realize me get funny short, me get like couple thousand, right? So me say, oh, that people want to see, that's a good, tag. So what me do now, me just take that balloon video and put it in that section where once somebody go up on my channel, them see that balloon video. So me choose the viral one them. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's smart. I
Yeah.
can bring that video now.
Yeah.
My most watched video is frame machine video.
Frame machine, right? So just put that one there up there, because obviously there's something in that video where it show up everywhere. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So that me kind of do it that one.
That's a learn from the big YouTuber.
I just play big YouTuber. We just learn, but me just figure out things as we go along. Me have to learn. Your daddy just tell me how to put the end screen. You forget say you show me how to do that. And him show me what to do when it come to the end screen. But then me go in there and start realize a bunch of other stuff. Yeah, man, him show me that. But what me do now, every time, so you see every time I post a video, I add it to my playlist. So every day my playlist I get bigger and bigger. So that playlist is what I put at the end of every video. So for those who just log in, once them click that playlist, them see every single video. Yeah. So every time I make a video, I put it to the playlist, to my playlist. Yeah. You stay there with the hurry up, cause I tell you by any year, I go catch you. You stay there. Yo, yesterday I did and I look on the subscriber and I say, yo, my subscriber now move, what go on? And then I start watch colors. So I watch colors my TV, Eh? Yeah, when in down at St. Vincent, so I watch him and I say, yo, the motivation just kick in. I just take up his something and start vlog same time. Yo. I build a house, I do a sort of something, I give her money, I give her car, yo. So that's my inspiration, man. And Junior, when I tell them youth here come up, and some little poor people who come up who never live nowhere. You see little house where they say they live in. The little board sitting there, shack where they say they grow up in a country, in nowhere. Yeah. Walk up and down barefoot, now have no shoes and them thing, they barely could have make it out. So,
But them more protect the chance, because
yo.
them already feel like they don't have nothing.
Yeah, them, yo.
Might as well run with it.
Yo, man, them proud of them, man. All of them look at Jamaican, or even the Caribbean one, because even him go link up with the same brother over St. Vincent, him a vlogger too. Yeah. Let me subscribe to him and just watch him now, But them a come from far, man. Trust me, me like what them a do. I not lie. And then Junior can get we in a this a fever, You see me? Pretty much.
Yeah, man. I know where I look at you.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the salon. Cleaned up and everything. Changed some codes. And now I'm heading back home. I don't have much to do today, but I'm heading back home. See a bunch of fathers out here now at the brunch spot. It's getting busy now, so I guess they were just late. But even so, even with these guys being out here, it's not, I was just speaking to you probably hear the conversation earlier where
Those are just probably regular brunchers. I don't see no special occasion going on with no dads over there. But anyway, you know, as I was talking to some friends, you probably see me talking on the phone. Those are the guys who are calling me. They're not my dad. I'm not their dad. But a bunch of guys just calling their one another, themselves. I got 2 this morning and then 2 more called. Right? The 2 that called a while ago were just good friends of mine. One of them, their father and son. So while I'm talking to the father, the son called and they you know, they pretty much joined the conversation. So it was 3 of us on the phone, right? And they're not my dads, I'm not their dads, right? So just prove to my point what I was saying earlier, that, you know, we dads out here is just a regular day for us. There ain't no nothing. It's not like it's not nothing special. No one calls, you know. I call my dad, you know what I'm saying? You know, unfortunately my kids don't call or text yet, but they're, you know, I don't know. That's how it is. It ain't a big deal. As I said, if they don't call me, it's not a big deal. It's just what it has become, I guess, or what's going on now. You know, no one cares about that, which is okay. It's fine. And you know, if I don't get a call from my kids, it's not a big deal to me, because it's what it has become. It's supposed to be important for you to call your dad, but because of what's going on, I guess people they forget, and it's just because it's not recognized like that. No one is talking about it, so they tend to forget to call. You know, even I'll forget, because I know there's times in the past where I probably call later on in the evening to tell my dad. You know what I'm saying? But because it slips you, you don't remember that today is Father's Day, because no one is celebrating it. So you don't see it online anywhere. You know what I'm saying? You stumble upon one post somewhere or see something that reminds you. You know, when Christmas is coming, you see all that way ahead of time, because they start advertising Christmas sale, they start advertising all sorts of different things, jingle bells, all sorts of stuff. When Thanksgiving coming, they advertising turkey and all that, right? Valentine, they start posting stuff. Father's Day, no one is posting anything. So it's easy for me to even forget it's Father's Day. I didn't realize it was Father's Day, as I said, until like yesterday or day before yesterday, when my daughter asked me what we're doing this Sunday. That's when I remember, to be honest. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, you have a bunch of dads calling me as opposed to your kids calling you. You know what I'm saying? And they're calling me because their kids ain't calling them. So, you know, they call me, I'm texting them texting me. That's what goes on. Just in case you guys don't know, or the people who are watching this, that's what goes on. Dads call dads for Father's Day, not kids call dads. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Well, it's cool though. I'm quite sure none of those dads ain't too upset over it, because it is what it is. They understand that, hey, it's not for them. So yeah, finished with the salon. I'm heading back home. I was uploading a video from a memory card for yesterday, so I'm gonna go home, edit that video. I gotta go home. I was trying to do something on my phone to program the key fob from my phone, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna head home and take care of that. Yes guys, so it's a beautiful Sunday, nice and sunny. It's hot today again, yo. It's probably like in the 90s today, you know. But I'm going, it's evening time now, 4 o'clock. Pretty much I didn't do much on the road today. I just went to the salon, clean the salon up, get that going, change some codes over there, and then, you know, went back home, was doing some editing on some videos, and pretty much just looking up, you know,
tile and all sorts of different stuff. I was just looking up stuff. Looking up materials, piping, stud materials, the cost, so I could narrow down some of the prices of these things. Looking for equipment, stuff like that. But yeah, it's going good. It's a Sunday and now it's Father's Day, so I'm heading down to my daughter. She making dinner, so she making dinner for me and my dad. So her granddad. So we're gonna spend the evening. I'm gonna get my other daughter and we're gonna chill out together and have our evening, But yeah, that's about it. We ain't doing nothing else. It's just a Sunday. We're just chilling. Tomorrow I'm gonna try and search for some more items. Tomorrow is Monday, so let's see what I gotta do. I don't know. I have a bunch of little small stuff to do. I'm gonna probably go over by the restaurant space and take the ceilings out. Because in order to do the ceilings, I'm gonna have to remove all the tiles to take the sections out. So the sections that we're gonna put the walls in, we have to remove the grid, that drop ceiling. We have to remove those grids so we could put the walls in and then put the ceilings up against those walls that we put in. You can't just put the wall up and stop where the grid is. We gotta take that grid out, put those walls in and go from there. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing that this week, I guess. I'm gonna start taking those tiles out. And the hood guy too, if he's gonna come in and do his thing, he's gonna have to remove the section of the hood. So I'm just gonna take it out. That way he could do what he got to do, Yeah. So guys, I'll be doing the work that's not permitted. So anything that don't need a permit to do, I'll do that. I'll let the contractors do, what they gotta do. They have to be licensed and insured, and So like me painting a wall, you don't need a permit to do that. Me doing like the tiles on the floor, I believe you don't need any permit for that. Just simple as removing the ceiling tiles, you don't need permit for that, so I'll do that. So there's a couple things to put the FRP on the walls. You don't need no permit for that or a licensed contractor. So those things, what I'm saying, I'll take care of those small stuff. The plumbers will do their part, the hood guy will do their part, electrical guy will do his part, the AC guy will do his part. I'll do the rest, like painting, any little help they might need, but I can't construct those things because I'm not licensed or permitted to do that. There's certain things that has to be done to code, so I'll let them do it because they know how to do it to code. I don't. So I'll let the professionals do that. Yeah. But I'm here. I'm just heading down to my daughter and go from there. Yeah, man. A lot of people on the road today, they probably just out and about going for dinner or lunch, taking their pops out for lunch. But yeah,
It's super hot, guys. I don't know if where you are or wherever you live it's hot like this, but it's super hot today. Yeah. Oh my gosh, huh? Actually, I did feel sleepy. I get up early this morning from about 6:30. But I feel sleepy today, like in the evening. I just feel sleepy. But I don't know, for some reason I can't sleep in the daytime, you know. Even if I try to lay down, I might just doze off for 2 minutes, but then I get up. I can't get a good sleep once it's daytime. I don't know if that's something wrong or what. I don't know. I don't think so though. You know, daytime I just can't sleep. That's it. Even when I'm tired, my eyes are drowsy, I just still can't lay down and sleep. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in later. There's not much to show you guys today. I mean, this morning I had some conversation with some friends of mine. I was vlogging, talking to them, so I'm gonna cut most of that out. This morning I got up, I was out in the backyard a little bit, but just not much, you know. Today might be a short day of vlog. It's just that I want to be consistent with my vlogs. I'm gonna drop a vlog every day, so I'm being consistent. You know, sometimes I might not have anything, so I just, you know, it might be just 10 minutes worth of vlog, it's 15 minutes worth of vlog, but I'm trying to stay consistent with putting out something every day, because I do something. There's never a day that I just lay in bed and sit there. There's never that day. So I have, you know, unless I sit there and I'm on the computer and just never took up the camera for that day. But normally I do something. I do something. If it's even go to the salon or I don't know, something. So I never yet just sit the whole day till night and do nothing. You know what I'm saying? So the only way I might not post anything is if I just never took up that camera for that day. And then, you know, I walk with it every day, so I'm trying to make sure I turn it on at some point throughout the day. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm heading now to get my daughter. I should be getting there down by about 4:30. Once I get her, I'm gonna make a little stop. So yeah. Yeah, man. Alright guys, I'll check back in a second, alright? Yeah man, me over my sister, yeah, you know, she cooked me some fast food.
Wow.
Some yeah, me fast food.
Some fast food?
Some lovely dinner here for Father's Day. My sister. Yeah, I'm content when I was talk about my sister. It's so bad, man. I'll go can get fish, whole fish with fish head and everything. Bad man, people. Watch out, when last you get that? I don't know about bami. You know about bami? Fried bami, cut triangle way and everything.